Thank you, Jay. Hello everyone and welcome to Plaisir Flower channel. Today we're going to talk about a variety of flowers, their meanings, their colors, and where it all started. I'm wearing my little Victorian crown because that's where it all began. In the old Victorian era, flowers were primarily used to convey messages because, men and women were not so freely able to talk to each other. For example, if a bouquet was offered with the left hand, the answer was no. If a bouquet was offered with the right hand, the answer was yes. Ribbons had another meaning. If a flower bouquet or a flower basket had the ribbon displayed on the left side, it meant the flower is representing the feelings of the person who's giving it to you. If the ribbon was placed on the right side, then that meant that those flowers, the colors, and their species was what the giver thought of you as the receiver. So they represented you to him. So all these little ways, they were a way for them to communicate their love to each other. Flowers have always represented love. They've always represented hidden messages. Even if that message was betrayal, jealousy, or dislike, flowers were the ones to take that message across. So let's talk about what each flower means. Peonies, for example, which are one of the most beloved flowers in really all nations, it represents bashfulness and happiness. Tulips represent passion. No matter what color, if you offer tulips to a woman, it means you are passionate about them. Carnations represent heavenly love, motherly love, so they're often offered to mothers. Daisies, which are really a lovely and playful flower, they represent innocence and loyal love. Gladiolas represent strength and dignity, and lilies represent purity. Can we please also take a moment and look at these gorgeous double lilies? Look at all the petals. Double lilies are a little bit more expensive, but they have no pollen, so you'll have no allergies to them, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and they last a little bit longer than regular lilies. Now we come to roses. Roses are one of the only flowers that their color has specific meaning. Obviously, red roses are the international symbol of love. Smells wonderful. Pink roses are for happiness, so you can basically offer them to anyone. White roses are for innocence. They're sometimes used for sympathy as well. Yellow and orange roses I don't have handy right now. Yellow is for betrayal and jealousy, and orange is for desire. Lilac color roses, purple, is for love at first sight. So now that you know what each flower means on its own, and which color of rose has what meaning, hopefully you can offer the appropriate color and the appropriate flower for the appropriate occasion. I hope you liked this video on the meaning of flowers and the meaning of the colors of roses. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.